In a quiet, picturesque town nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a woman named Alia. She possessed an air of timeless elegance and an inexplicable depth that drew people to her, although many couldn't quite pinpoint the reason. What they didn't know was that Alia held a secret, a love story that spanned across lifetimes. As a young girl, Alia would have recurring dreams of a distant past, where she lived in a different time, a different place, and loved a different man. These dreams were so vivid and real that she could feel the warmth of his touch and hear the whisper of his promises. One day, while visiting an antique bookstore in her town, Alia stumbled upon an old, leather-bound journal. It was as though an invisible force guided her to this book. As she opened its pages, she found handwritten letters that felt hauntingly familiar. They were love letters from a bygone era, filled with the same words she had heard in her dreams. The more Alia read, the more convinced she became that this journal held the key to unlocking the mystery of her dreams. The letters spoke of a love that defied time and space, a connection that transcended the boundaries of mortal existence. The author of the letters, a man named William, poured his heart and soul into every word, professing his love for a woman he simply called Alia. As she delved deeper into the journal, Alia's heart raced with the realization that the love story from her dreams was written on these pages. The more she read, the more convinced she became that William and his Alia were the same souls who now resided in her and the man she loved in the present. Driven by an inexplicable force, Alia began researching the town's history, tracing the roots of her own existence, and unearthing more about William's era. She discovered that the love between William and his Alia had ended tragically, torn apart by circumstances beyond their control. Determined to reunite these lost souls across lifetimes, Alia embarked on a journey to mend the heartache of the past. She began visiting the locations mentioned in the letters, feeling an uncanny sense of déjà vu. And then, one fateful evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, she found herself standing at the very spot where William and his Alia had parted ways. Tears welled up in Alia's eyes as she whispered words of love and remembrance, vowing to reunite their souls. In that moment, something magical happened. The boundary between past and present blurred, and she felt an overwhelming sense of love and connection, as if the spirits of William and his Alia were embracing her. Alia's life had come full circle, and she knew that the love she shared with her partner in the present was intertwined with the love that had spanned across lifetimes. With the journal as a guide and the spirits of William and Alia watching over her, she was determined to cherish and protect this love, making sure that it would endure for eternity, just as it had for countless lifetimes before. As Alia continued to delve into the mysteries of her past life connection with William, she encountered a series of coincidences and synchronicities that seemed almost otherworldly. It was as though the universe conspired to bring their souls together once more. During her exploration of the town's history, Alia uncovered an old photograph hidden in a dusty attic of the local historical society. In the picture, she was astonished to find herself in a past life incarnation, standing side by side with William, confirming their deep connection. The revelation of her past life love story had a profound impact on Alia's present relationship. She shared her discovery with her partner, who, to her amazement, had also been experiencing dreams and vivid memories of their past life together. They realized that their love had endured through time, just like Alia's connection with William. Together, Alia and her partner decided to honor the legacy of William and Alia, recognizing that their love story had shaped the course of their present lives. They held a beautiful ceremony at the spot where William and his Alia had once parted, renewing their vows and affirming their commitment to each other. As the years went by, Alia and her partner continued to cherish the connection they felt across lifetimes. Their love was strengthened by the knowledge that they were bound not just by the present, but by a timeless, enduring love that transcended the boundaries of mortality. Alia's journey had not only uncovered the secrets of her past life but had also brought her a deeper appreciation for the power of love that could bridge time and space. The story of A Love Across Lifetimes had become a living testament to the idea that love, in its purest form, was eternal and limitless, capable of transcending the boundaries of existence itself.